Protecting your Redmi data is essential. Backing up to a computer keeps files safe, organized, and easy to restore when upgrading or replacing your phone. In this video, we'll show simple ways to back up your Redmi to a PC. Way 1. How to back up Redmi on computer via Android Backup and Restore Expert. Mobican Android Backup and Restore, known as Mobican Backup Manager for Android, Windows and Mac, provides a seamless way to back up all data from a Redmi phone to a PC with just a few clicks. How does it work? Open the software, connect your Redmi via USB, and enable USB debugging if needed. Then choose Backup on the screen. Choose the types of data you wish to back up. Then, designate a location on your computer for storage. Finally, click on Backup to transfer the Redmi data to this computer. Way 2. How to back up Redmi phone on PC with Mi Cloud. How does it work? On Redmi, go to Settings, Mi Account, Mi Cloud, Sign in, Enable Sync, and select Data to back up. On PC, visit i.me.com, sign in, browse categories, and download the files you need. Way 3. How to take full backup of Redmi phone on computer. Mi PC Suite. Install and open Mi PC Suite. Connect your Redmi via USB, enable file transfer, grant access, and click Backup to save your data to the PC. Way 4. How to take full backup of Redmi phone on PC via Google Drive. On Redmi, go to Settings, Google Backup, enable backup to Google Drive, and tap Backup Now. On PC, visit drive.google.com, sign in, browse, and download your backup files. Way 5. How to back up Redmi phone on computer with Swift Backup. Install Swift Backup on your Redmi, sign in with Google, and grant permissions. Select Data to backup and choose Google Drive or local storage. For local backups, connect via USB and copy the Swift Backup folder to your PC.